So welcome back friends. You understood how exactly data science domain started evolving and then how the data that is being used by companies for benefiting the customers as well as increasing the revenue. Now, next what we are going to see is we will see what exactly are the fields that are there in data science, right? So if you can observe this, there are three major things that are there. One is your computer science, one is math and statistics, and the third is domain knowledge, right? So talking about, let's say, I will start with math and statistics because math and statistics is considered to be the backbone of data science, right? Why? Because whatever algorithms that we write, whatever algorithms that run in the back end, everything have a statistical background. So whatever happens, math and stat is considered to be the backbone of data science. Having said that, it is not necessary for us to know every concept of linear algebra, let's say linear algebra, statistics, differentiation, eigenvalues, matrices, everything in depth. Not required, because any machine learning algorithm that you are running, it knows, or probably the math concepts are already being imbibed in that algorithm. It will take care of it. No need for us to know the core maths to do data science in these days. Second thing is computer science. Why do I need computer science? Right? So let me explain it to you. So how exactly this field came into existence, right? So math and stats, linear algebra and all of that was not the thing of yesterday or 5 years back. It was there from very long time. People used to use statistics, and then they used to calculate the probability. They used to do linear regression, everything, even 20-25 years back also. But what happened is, for them to generate very robust and sophisticated models, point number one, the data was not sufficient. If you look at 15-20 years, the data availability of data was very less. When compared to today, the data that they had was very less, and the computers were not very powerful as what we have today, right? So that is where computer science is coming in, right? So you need to combine math, the concepts of math, statistics, probability, linear algebra, etc., 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 with a very high computational power, right? So when you have math and stat background, and when you have very robust computers to run your algorithms, and when you have sufficient data, right, which is available now, and then when you know to which domain you are applying these things to, you can apply it to finance, you can apply it to e-learning, you can apply it to, let us say, hospitality, healthcare, you can apply it to gaming, you can apply it anywhere you want, right? Because statistical models, statistics will be same, math will not change, computation power will be same, right? So just that based on your requirement, you can use your algorithms. So these are the three different fields that are there in data science. Math and stats, which is the background, and computer science, because to run sophisticated machine learning algorithms, you need sophisticated computing power, right? And also domain knowledge, which is the domain that you want to apply these models into. So these are the three things that we need. When you combine all these three things, right? So let's say, for example, when you combine all these three things and then apply it to a significant amount of data, right? So you need to have a significant amount of data. Then when you combine all these things, you can come up with a data science solution. So basically, these are the fields that are there in data science. So you need math, you need computer science, you need domain knowledge. When you combine all of them and apply it to a significant amount of data, you can come up with a data science solution. right? So let me just give you a brief recap. Why do I need math? Because all your machine learning algorithms are running math in the background, which is statistics based. Having said that, no need for you to learn statistics now in very high level. You can know what is the basic things, and then machine learning algorithms will take care of the math and stat. Why do I need computer science? Because when my data size get bigger and bigger, to run these complex statistical algorithms, I need very high computational power. I need graphic cards, I need GPUs, etc., etc., etc. So computer science is the domain that is coming up. And when you have data, when you have algorithm, and when you have your sophisticated computers, you need to know to which domain you are supposed to apply the solution to. So that is your domain knowledge. So when you combine all these things, the outcome what you get is a data science solution, right? So now, having said this, in the next session we will look at the different components, right? So what all the things that a person needs to learn if he really wants to enter into this domain is what I will be sharing in the next session. Please make sure you understand all of that in detail, and then if there are any questions you can reach out to us, right? So I'll see you in the next session, and then we will see the components of data science. Thank you.